up, YouTube? Hello, my people. Hello. It has been so long since I've been here to be like, what's up, YouTube? You know, to bother you guys. But I'm back. And for good reasons, because there's a lot that has been going on, a lot that has changed, and a lot that is changing. Sorry, I look crazy. It is cold as heck outside because summer is officially over. And I am moving. So I've been staying in one's place, but as you can see, this is a 1-bedroom, ginormous living room, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, that's a bathroom, that's a pantry, a 3-bedroom apartment, and I'm a 1-person, and it's a lot, you know? So today I am officially moving. I'm moving by myself, with myself, to live alone, officially. Like, and I lived alone for a while, but in this big old space. I also have like my mom who lives downstairs, my brother who walks upstairs whenever he wants. So the difference is that I'm officially going to be all like away from everybody. And I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous. So we'll see how this goes. And you guys are just going to have to accept that I look crazy. The whole entire world went to crap a few months ago. I'm definitely a little chunkers again, but oh well. And it's cold outside, so I'm trying to stay warm. But I am going to now just bring you guys with me on my journey of everything, you know. This is a new chapter. I'm going to be having to organize, decorate, do all that. So in a few, I will be back with my new spot. This is the old one. I'm not gonna lie, it's beautiful. I love the lighting. I love this place a lot. And if I had a bunch of friends and roommates and stuff like that, I would like stay here forever. It would be cool, it'd be a vibe, it'd be a thing, you know, but I don't. I have me, and I'm not gonna keep paying all this money for nothing. I don't need to. It was good. It really is. Look at this. Like, I love this living room. The lighting is great. It's just great. But get into it, y'all. I'm about to show you guys my place, so I'll let you guys see everything when I get up the steps. Also, I have Kathy here, who is a doll, a gem, my brother is a solid gem.
Well, repaint that.
Alright, guys. Here it is. This is my place from the doorway. Alright, here's my kitchen. This little area will be my little living room area. My bathroom is really big. Here's my bathroom. I'm loving the vanity, like this thing, you know. I know, right? Yeah. See, everybody's seeing this for the first time. So here's my kitchen. So here's my room, guys. Yeah, this is way better. I was supposed to do this at first without like furniture in the house. I was supposed to do like the empty apartment tour, but I didn't. So now you guys get to see it with all my furniture being moved in instead of the way I meant for you to see it. So I'm gonna stand at the corner so you can see everything. This is one room. This is my second room right here, guys. Here we go. This one is like gonna be my office or a spare room or whatever you want to call it, but this is like a corner to corner look. No, it's smaller, tighter. Welcome to my place, y'all. So y'all got the first little part tour, and now I'm going to give you a better so that you don't have to see my face. Stuff needs to be vacuumed and stuff, but say hi, Jay. Yo.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Say hi. Bye.
Bye.
My movers. I love you guys. Can you take a picture for me? Woo! Okay, so guys, everybody's here now. We're gonna be here trying to open this thing. Okay.
Yeah, do it.
Hi, everyone. Okay.
Do
Let's
it,
see.
do it. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Go, go.
Go. Okay, guys, so I have gotten all of my stuff moved, and now you guys seen the first part of everybody moved. So, this is as far as we've gotten, as you can see. Earlier, I don't know if you guys were on. Yes, I am, baby. Look at Omari, about to fall. I got my first baby plan for my apartment. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, my brother loves him too. This little soul thing. This is actually whatever. No. I done got all the old people drunk today. So this is the start of my room. And they literally had a glass of champagne to start. And the more I do this, as I go through this, as I'm fixing stuff up, as I'm upgrading things, and before it gets dark and I can't make a outro for this, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. This is like a bed warmer. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy following me through this process of my first I've lived in apartments, I've had places, but this is like all me. Like
She's doing her beautiful.
Alright guys, so I wanted you guys to be able to see what's going on. I want you guys to be a part of this. I'm excited. Say hi, Cassandra. You can't even see her. Say hi now! Okay. Alright. Let's be real, guys.